Good morning campers, welcome back to another video on the Volkswagen T25. In today's episode, I'll do some vigorous polishing. I'll do a spot of sanding. And the brains turns into Bob Ross. All that and more in today's episode. Be sure to enjoy. Catch you in a bit. The combination of cleaning products we used was Scotch pad, brake cleaner, and a powered sander. The reason we used the Scotch pad to start with was just to gauge how much it needed cleaning really, because we didn't want to take it back too far. So with the Scotch pad you can put as much pressure on as you want and then gauge it from there, as I say. And because some parts you can't get the sander into it because it's too big and bulky. And this is the before and after. So all we done was just lacquered the heat exchanger and then got a heat gun, stuck it in one end and let it do its magic. Obviously you don't want it to dry cold because it just won't take to it. So that's what the heat gun's for, to get the heat exchanger nice and warm so that the lacquer and the paint takes to it. Unfortunately that's all we've got time for this episode. Join us next episode when we get the engine and gearbox ready to go back in the van. Ta-ra!